Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I have a super cute little treat pouch to share with you today. Super easy to put together, customizable, you can create any size. You can use any designer series paper, which is great. The designer series paper I'm using today is the 2018-2020 in color paper pack, and this is 6 by 6. What's fun about this project is out of a 12 by 12 sheet of designer series paper, you can create 4 of these. We need to bring in our envelope punch board. Now this is a great little tool. Not only is this used to create envelopes, but you can create so many different gift packaging and with this tool. So we only need to remember one score mark. So we are going to line this up at the 3 inches, and that's all we need to remember. We're going to punch and score, and we are going to do that all the way around. I'm now going to round all my corners. That, my friends, is it. So this piece here is a piece of Whisper White. This is optional. You don't have to add a piece of Whisper White. The reason why I thought I would add it, not only does it make it a little bit more sturdier, but you will then be able to write a little message before you seal your pouch shut. So, and again, you can stamp it as well. Now, these can be customized to different sizes. So again, you would have to just play around with the paper size and that kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this piece of Whisper White. And this piece is cut at 3.5 by 3.5. So just a square 3.5 by 3.5. You can write a little message in there. You're going to take, I have Hershey's Nuggets that I've gone ahead and wrapped. And you are going to grab 6 Hershey's Nuggets. And you are just going to fold this over like so. And that is what's going to create this super cute little pouch, you guys. So I have my glue dots, and I am just going to use glue dots. You can use a different adhesive, but I figured for the video I would just use some glue dots. And that, my friends, is all there is to this adorable little pouch. And again, you can dress it up however you want. I went ahead and used the stitched label framelets. I'm just going to get out all those little excess pieces. My dab brush. And I am using the stamp stitched all around. Now, if you purchase these two together, you bundle it up and you save 10%. We love to save money. So, I have my Memento ink. Enjoy your special day. Now, you can also add a little gift card in here. So you can add a little gift card, your little chocolates, and you can write a little message, and then you're just going to attach this to there. And again, you can use glue dots. Well, for the sake of the video, I will use glue dots. super fun little gift to give to a friend. You can do these as stocking stuffers around the holidays. You can do this for craft fairs, but just a super cute little way to gift something to a friend. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used today, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Monday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.